Hello everyone. So, Karim 2007 has ended the video because it does have space to fit in. So, install plus, then click next. I accept this agreement. Then, full pop-up, and I need to upgrade to Windows 1998 to 1998 plus. I think I select 2781863 and enter. Wait an hour. Let me get so I just need to go on the beginning. Yeah, but I think I just met the recording issue, but I don't need the virus. So I'm gonna leave with complete them. Click next and copying file. Click next. So let me just load it in. Why is there a baraban? I don't want run main Swizza, but I think I am going to be finished. Windows 98 high color. Just click on apply. TikTok. And then yeah. Well, I just need to restart my computer. Okay, there's the shutdown sound. And now I've upgraded to Windows 98 plus. Okay. Okay, so yeah. So properties. That was the wall. Just click OK. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and I'll hope you see you guys next time. Bye bye.